down to a reasonable level. Hello. Hello. Shrinjoy, what's up? Alan, what's good? I did change the chat thingy, if you're asking why it looks different. I did change it. E.G. King, hello. How are you guys? How is your day? Let's go. We're doing more LFS. LFS today. LFS, let's go. We love LFS. We love LFS. Plug in the PS4 drive. It is already plugged in. Let's go. Nicholas, what's going on? Hello. Bro, why did chat cut off on the bottom though? Hold on, guys. Don't worry about the screen, okay? Don't worry about the screen. Here we go. Switch to the right one then. Well, the chat's just gonna have to stay like that for right now. Remember doing LFS and absolutely destroyed my VM in all progress. Oh God. Linux moment. Indeed, it is a very Linux moment. Very Linux moment. You guys see the dog back there? Like digging in her ear. Linux moment, but he's on Windows? Imagine. AAA was good. Also, guys, yes, I know it's a McDonald's cup, but there's water in it because I already drank all the soda last night, so I'm drinking water. Don't worry, I haven't switched up on you water drinkers. Okay. Already got 12 points. Let's go. What happened to the bottle you had? It's still on my desk. I just put it in the McDonald's cup because it's bigger, so I get more water. How far are you in LFS? I had no idea you were doing this. Yeah. Well, thanks to Floppa's help, we are... Hold on, let me switch. Guys, I'm using Arc browser now, and it's freaking sick. I think we're in chapter 5 now. But yeah, guys, I've switched to Arc browser from Chrome, and I plan to make a video on it, like, oh, I switched browsers, blah, blah, blah. So, people might like it, people might not, but, you know, I'll try it out. See if people care. But it's pretty sick. It's pretty sick. But yeah, we're in, like, chapter 5, I think, if I remember correctly. I love Arc. I have it, and it's great. Yes, I am enjoying it so far because I had to have 2 different browsers open to be signed into my ID10T error account and then my personal account so that they don't overlap and stuff. I had to have 2 different browsers to sign into 2 different accounts. But now with Arc, and I'm going to put this in the video, this whole point, is that I can have 2 profiles in 2 separate, spaces, and then just do it like that. 1 browser. It's freaking sick. It is freaking sick. You can have 2 profiles open in Chrome at the same time. Well, you know what? Chrome, bad. Maybe it's good that I didn't make the video yet because I would have put that in there and then people would have been like, oh, you're stupid. You know you could do that in Chrome. The most recent video I posted, everybody was like armchair warrioring me about Linux and everything. It was something else. Shrinjoy, thank you. Guys, like the stream. What are you doing? What are you doing? Like the stream. What are you doing, eh? What are you doing, eh? Okay, let me open up VMware. Get things freaking going, dude. All the commands for like the stream effects and stuff will be in the description. But I had to change the little chat dude down here from what it was. I liked how it looked before, but I had to change it so that Twitch messages will show up in there as well. So now we have both YouTube and Twitch. So if you guys can't find a message that somebody sent that I'm talking about, that's probably why. Restoring virtual machine state. Nice. Okay, the drive is plugged in, so we should be good. Okay, VM is coming up. Let's freaking go, dude. Oh, VMware remembers the drive is connected. Me too, but if not, we just have to remap the drives, so it won't be that bad of a thing, but should be fine. Okay. Have another browser open just for Messenger. Bruh. USB devices and VMware kind of shit. Yeah, that's true. Should we try my LFS stuff again? Maybe during stream? Yeah, dude. LFS has been fun so far. Shreyas, hello. How's it going? Hello, hello. Thank you guys for liking the stream. Appreciate you. Okay. No, it's not connected, bro. We have to remap the drive. Okay. Connect. Why did it not connect? I had it plugged in. Okay. Wait. Oh god, did I do something already? Just connect and see if it's connected? I mean... mounted? No, it says mount and open. So they're not mounted. Thank you for the sub. Appreciate ya. Try to LS. Okay. I gotta get my keyboard up here. LS / MNT LFS. Yeah, I have to remount them. Fans are on half right now on Mac OS. Let's go. Lost track of the LFS progress by now. Oh well, it's probably fine. Okay, let's just remember that we're on chapter 5. Okay. Home. And then where does it say mounting drives, mounting folders? Mounting new partitions. Okay. I love macOS. The only reason holding me back is can't play Valve games on it. Yeah, that's true. Okay, so we have to mount -V -T. How much is space have you given the VM? I think I gave it 80 gigs. So plenty of space. ext4/dev/ SDA. I think it was. Well, I don't remember which ones we mounted them to. Windows is annoying to use. Linux isn't, and Mac OS isn't. I mean, I find Windows pretty useful. Not everybody does, though. Who remembers what we mounted these to? Because I have to mount this to LFS, which is the mount LFS folder. So I know that one is our boot, 2 is our EFI, 3 is our swap, partition 4 is the rest of the disk space. So do I mount EFI here or no? unmount LFS? Why would I unmount LFS? Did you mean mount it first? Because we don't even have it showing up right now. It's mounted to the old handle of the PS4 drive. That is now invalid. So umount dash mnt dash or slash LFS. Oh, oops. Forgot that. What are you talking about? Okay, you know what? Let's just go back up here because I'm making a mess of this. It says that the target is busy. Is there a way to force it? Unmount boot also? Okay, well, boot's unmounted. Alright. Okay, now that's unmounted. Okay, cool. Now they're all unmounted, so that's good. I just had to unmount boot first. See if there's dash dash force. Yeah. We got it. We got it. Guess you could use umount dash F or force. Yeah. So that might come in handy at some point, but luckily we were able to just do that and it's good. Umount dash R to unmount recursively. Oh, I see. I see. Now I can't help you with this. I don't remember what partition was boot and LFS. Okay, so first partition is the boot partition. Second partition is EFI. Third partition is swap. And fourth partition was the rest of the drive. That's what we're dealing with here. Okay, so we can do mount. Do I have to remount LFS and boot? Why do I have a boot and EFI partition? Because I do. Why VMware instead of VirtualBox or Hyper-V? Just wondering. It's just what I have. I mean, I've used all of them before, but this is just what I have right now. Hyper-V is incompatible? Oh, I didn't even know that. It's interesting. VirtualBox is super slow. Yeah, I prefer VMware. It hasn't failed me yet, so I quite like it. Oh, okay, yeah, we just have to do that export thingy, right? Export LFS equals /mnt/LFS. Oh, whoops. I spelled that wrong. So now what do I do? Do I just have to umount that? I spelled that wrong. I did MBT LFS. That's not good. No such file directory. Whoops. Okay, so what if I just do export again, but actually type it correctly? Okay, yeah, I guess that's fine. Okay, what if we echo $LFS? Okay, yeah, it just overwrote the other one, I guess. Okay, cool. So we can mount -v -t ext4 /dev /sda. Was it 4? Maybe. Learn to type without looking at the keyboard. It's easy after you learn it. I've been alive for 24 years and I still can't do it. So who cares? Mount -v -t ext4 dev sda4. Is that what we mounted last time to here? I don't remember what we did last time. Like 14 and you can do it? Well, I'm 24 and I can't, so. I think this is what we did. Shrinjoy, thank you for the membership. Appreciate ya. 404 error. Very nice. Very nice. Appreciate that. I don't know why it takes like forever to show up, or like they never show up in the stream notification thingies. Why you do that? Keep up the good work. Thank you. Okay, well, I know that we mounted SDA1 to /mnt/LFS/boot. Oh, I could just sudo !!! Call failed SDA1. Oh god, did it rename it? Oh god, what did it rename it to? Let me sudo again. Okay, it renamed it to SDC. Okay. So I have to SDC1. I don't know why it keeps doing that. There. Mount point does not exist. Okay. LSBLK to see the partitions. I see. I'm skipping this song. Okay, SDC1 is our boot, and then EFI, and then swap, and then rest of the drive. So SDC. Not the LFS partition first? Okay. Why is a PS4 drive involved in this? It's just an extra drive that I had. It's a external storage for a PS4. It's just a PS4 branded case over like a regular mechanical drive. Okay, so do we want to mount the rest of the drive to LFS, right? Okay, and then we want to mount -v -t ext4 and then /dev/ LFS/boot. Oh wait, no, that's the sorry, I did that backwards. What is it now? It's SDC. I'll do 1. I'll mount that to /mnt/ what was it? MNT LFS/boot. And you're right, I do have to sudo that. All right, so that's good. And then we have to do sbin /swap on -v /dev /SDC2 because that was our swap partition. I gotta sudo that. Oops. I typed that very incorrectly. Read swap header failed. What does that mean? Oh, we do need the -v. Why did that fail? That is interesting. make the swap file. Bro, what? The swap file is, or the swap partition is 2 gigs. Maybe the wrong partition happened to me when I tried to use EFI as swap. Oh yeah, you're right. Swap is 3. SDC 3. There we go. EFI is 2. Swap is 3. Yep, that is what did it. Okay. So yeah, where do we mount the EFI? Can we just do something like that? You guys think that'll work? I don't know. Yeah, I used wrong partition. No. I don't remember where we mounted this to. I am very unsure of where we mounted this to. Oh yeah, boot EFI. / boot / EFI. Mount point does not exist. Oh yeah, you're right. I forgot the whole thing. Mount boot EFI, yeah. MNT boot EFI. Oh yeah, there's LFS in there too. LFS / boot / EFI. What? Mounted at MNT LFS boot EFI, yeah. I actually have to make that directory? What the hell? Okay. Bruh. Why don't... Okay. There. Sheesh. There, okay, now it's mounted. Okay, everything is mounted now. So let's go back to where we were. Okay. So now we're here. Important that binutils be the first package compiled because both glibc and gcc perform various tests on the available linker and assembler to determine which of their own features to enable. Now here's the compiling. Let's go. The binutils documentation recommends building binutils in a dedicated build directory. Time to compile. Let's go. Okay. Actually, what am I doing? I just copy and paste these, bro. Copy, paste. Created the directory build. Okay, you know, I'm not gonna be lazy. I'm actually... I can type CD, okay? Okay, now this, I'm actually gonna be lazy and copy and paste. No such file directory. Oh, oops. In order for values to be listed, it takes time to build package configuration. To achieve this easily, wrap the commands in a time command like this. Time, figure, blah, blah, blah. I'm in the wrong folder. What do you mean? It said CD into build. Bruh. What are you talking about? I'm in build. What do you mean I'm in the wrong folder? What are you talking about, huh? I think it wants you to make the build folder in some other folder. No, it just said mkdir-v build. Right? Since it's running configure from the previous folder. You don't have to configure in your previous folder. What? What do you mean it's running in the previous folder? I know it's doing stuff in the LFS, the MNT LFS folder thingy, but does that matter? Just find configure with Dolphin from the LFS folder. I have zero idea where you should be. Unlaughable, what's up? I don't think you extracted bin utils using tar xvf. Did I have to? Parse the book to be of any use. Make sure time it takes to build this package from the configuration up to including the first install. To achieve this, easily wrap the commands in a time command like this. Yeah, I'm in build. It said to make the directory build and then to change directories into the build folder. Go to the previous step. This is all that it has here. I mean, build instructions assume that house, including symbolic links, have been set properly. There's no source code in the home directory. Bro, what? Change the directory. For each package, using the tar program, extract the package to be built in Chapter 5. Ensure you are using LFS user when extracting the packages. Holy crap. So I have to extract every single package. Okay. MNT/LFS/sources. Okay. Tar xvf bin utils tab here until you get full name. Okay. Okay. XVF. I typed bin and then it put in ninja. Bin utils. Why did it put in ninja? Oh god. Daniel Lotta, thank you for redeeming your points at such a good time. Oh god. Hold on. Why am I still in here? I tapped out. Hold on. Okay then. Hold on, I gotta fix stuff in here. Well, that one's fine. I only want Wavey. Well, I gotta put Wavey back on like 30 seconds so that the song will match. But everything else will be 15 seconds. Not letting you download VMware. Yeah, it's a whole thing to try and download VMware. Yeah, Broadcom ruined the whole freaking website. Okay, so bin utils has been extracted. Okay. Change to the directory created when the package was extracted. Follow the instructions for building the package. Change back to the sources directory when the build is complete. Delete the extracted source directory unless instructed otherwise. Bro, what? Now go back to where you were. TD build. Hold on, let me. Okay, now I can probably go back to build. Oh, whoops. Why not? Oh, there we go. Hello? Okay, can I go into build now? Or what? Where am I? What? Feels like hacking when you set every command to run in verbose mode. Are you even building a custom Linux image? To learn. It's fun. Just fun to me. Oops. CD. There we go. Now can I go into build? There we go. Okay. You're in the root of the file system? Yeah, I figured that out. Okay, so now do we go into here? Okay, now I can do this, right? So I can copy this. Okay, so then we do time. Do one of these guys. Paste that. What is... Okay, and I gotta go... How do I erase this dude at the top? I can't get back up there. There's still no source code in your home folder? What? Control plus C? Yeah. Well, I don't really need it now, but... Okay, so... Okay, so... we're back here. Oh, okay. So... If I CD back, should I remove the build folder from here? We're so back and not in a good way. Get out of here. What are you talking about? I have to turn the AC on. It's freaking hot in here, bro. Is it just RM dir for remove dir? I think. Right? Yeah. Lego man, what's up? I am struggling a little bit. Okay, so now I need to go into the bin utils folder, right? Which is... Hold on. Didn't even know RMDIR existed. Okay, so where the hell are we? Okay, is it in sources? Okay, yeah. It's in sources. Which is where? So CD, LFS, okay, and CD, sources, okay. RMDIR only works if the folder is empty. Ah, okay. We're all learning stuff here. Okay. So now I have to CD into bin utils. Okay. Now we have to make directory build. And then we CD into build. Okay. So now I think I did it correctly. So I went to bin utils, made a directory build, and then changed directories into that build folder. And now we're ready, right? Okay, you're learning a bit. Yeah, see, once I get the hang of it, I'm good. Okay, so the first package compile, blah, blah, blah. Bin utils documentation recommends building bin utils in a dedicated build directory. Okay, see here it just says mkdir build, so that's why it confused me. It didn't say to make it in the folder. Now run the configure command. Okay, and like it says here, I have to put the time and then this stuff around it, right? Okay, so if I copy and paste this, it's gonna put like gonna make the like bracket and 200 thingy though. Game Breaker, what's going on? What if I just type it myself? Maybe that's a bad idea. Prefix equals $LFS / tools space /. It's gonna take ages. Okay, is it shift enter to make a new line in the command before I run this? I think so. Don't add the backslashes. Oh, is that just delineating a new like part of the command that they put the backslashes for? And I just put this on like one whole line. Just do one line without backslashes. Okay. You got 2 20-second ads. That means money for me. Let's go. I'm just kidding. Ooh, that's how we mess up. With sysroot equals $LFS -- target equals $LFS _ TGT. Just makes the arguments easier to read. Oh, okay, gotcha. I see. I don't really care about making things look pretty and easy to read. Disable -NLS. Enable gpro fng gpro fng equals no -- disable w error. Oh, there's disable -w error. Okay. We ever define LFS TGT? No. Be funny if someone ported the entire Windows to Linux. Bro, that would be something. It's like when someone wrote an entire game in one line of code. Oof. Yeah, that's something. -- enable -default -hash style equals GNU. Okay. So this should work, right? But we have to do and make install LFS. Wouldn't be hard if the documentation wasn't this shit. That's so real. So real. I don't know, but to transfer the entire visual experience to Linux, that would take a lot of coding. Space after the and. Oh, you're so right. Forgot that. And then do I have to put this little dude out there? The, what do you call it? The semicolon? Maybe run those commands one by one. Nah, it'll be all right. No, you don't? Okay, cool. All right. And there she go. So is this the part that takes forever that everybody talks about when like compiling a Linux distro? Yes, it takes a year. Yes. Okay, well, I guess we'll just sit here and chat for a bit while this thing compiles. At minimum, it takes a year at minimum. Oof. Okay, well, I guess this part we'll just wait and chat, you know? We will just wait and chat. But yeah, guys, I've been using, did you put it through the time command? Yes, I did. Oh, it's already done. So we can see how long it takes. I thought I put it on there, but it's done. Linux, 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 let's go. Was that fast? I don't know if that was fast. The Sako, what's up? Hey, Dan. Compiling bin utils, not Linux. Yeah. What do we have to lose? Muhammad Amin. I hope I said your name right. It was a little too long for the thingy, but thank you for the sub. Appreciate you. Our dumb brains forgot. True. Okay, so remember compiling Gentoo on a 2 gig RAM and 2-core VM? I put Grub to compile at night and went to bed. Oh my god. Gonna install the niche Linux distro Crux, but then I realized it only had a 3-year-old kernel. Immediately switched to Arch. Fair enough, bro. Rick, what's up? What is up, my brother? How the frick is it going, dude? On Bedrock Linux with Arch as main stratum. Nice. Okay, so GCC requires the GMP and PFR and MPC packages. These packages may not be included in your host distro. They'll be built with
GCC. Unpack each package into the GCC source directory and rename the resulting directories to the GCC build procedures. Build procedures will automatically use them. Okay.
CPU is from 2002. Bro, that's quite a while ago. It's almost when I was born. I was born in 2000. Okay. Frequent misunderstandings about this chapter. That's great. The procedures are the same as every other chapter, explained by package building instructions. First, extract the GCC tarball from the sources directory. Okay, so we got to go back to sources directory. Then we have to go to cd LFS / sources. Whoops, that. Wait. Hold on. Let me go here, ls. Yeah, there's a sources folder. What are you talking about? Okay. Big fan of yours. Let's go. Glad to hear it. If I had to move to Linux, I would have gone with Debian. Bro, what? What did I miss? Kinda not that much. Not really that much. We extracted and then compiled bin utils, but that's about it. Okay, so we're back in sources, and then we have to tar-xvf, and then we have to do this for GCC. Okay. Debian is horrible because of a lot of dependency problems caused by 20-year-old packages. Linux Mint or KDE? I mean, Mint is a distro. KDE is just a desktop environment, though. So, I mean, you could do... Can you do Mint with KDE? Debian is stable if you do rm user bin apt. Debian 12 does offer some up-to-date packages. I haven't used Debian in so long. Since I made that video. What was that video? Yeah, my 3 OS laptop video. That whole thing. Stable, yeah, some. Brother is truing. Okay, so do I have to... I know 0 things about Linux. I feel so pro when I told Brayden to remove the colon the other day. Hey, we're all getting there. We're all getting there. What's the base distro for LFS? Well, for mine, everybody forced me to use Arch, so it's going to be Arch for my distro. But yeah, you can use anything as long as it has the required packages. But yeah, I'm using Arch because my viewers forced me to use Arch. Bedrock Linux kind of cool, you know? Very nice. I don't think I've ever heard of it. Void is great. Indeed. Okay, so... so we already extracted GCC, but I'm guessing I have to extract these guys, GMPF, MPFR, and MPC packages as well. Hello, Bogo. What's going on? Why flaming on Arch? Didn't you remember the whole reason why you didn't use Debian for this? That's true. That's true. That's how bad Debian is. Yeah, at least Arch is actually working, so, you know. Okay, so tar-xvf, and then we want GMP. We want MPFR. We had, yeah, there's MPFR in there. Why didn't it tab? Strange. Okay. And then we want MPC. Oh, whoops. I did not tab. There we go. Okay. In a nutshell, Bedrock makes you use different components from different distros, like Void, Alpine, Arch. Oh, okay. That's interesting. Okay, so what does the MV-V do? That does sound pretty cool, Sako. Or Sako, however you say your name, Sako. I want to say it was Sako. But Floppa. What does the MV-V do? And do I need to do it? Moves the folder? Okay. So the name is less complicated. Okay, so I do want to run these then. So can I just do like and then just do them all at once? Is this a pro move or am I being dumb? Yes? Okay, so that was a pro move then. Oh, let's go. Guys, I'm actually learning. And supports any command. Let's go. Guys, my brain power's increasing. First time watching your stream? Welcome, Zen. How's it going? Made him install Suicide Linux, aka LFS. Yeah, I actually did a video on Suicide Linux. Nobody liked it, but that's fine. Super Pro mode. Let's go. Okay, on x86 64 hosts, set the default directory for 64-bit libraries to lib. Okay. What Linux are you using now? This is Arch. We're using the base system, or Arch for the base system. Get that Linux Pro medal in no time with this speed. Let's go. Let's freaking go. Okay, so set the default directory name for 64-bit libraries to lib. So is that's what this does here. So we can copy, paste into here, and I guess just run it then, right? No such file directory. Config, can't read, GCC, config, i386, tlinux 64. Do we have a GCC folder, right? I thought we made a GCC folder. Oh. Why is it named that? Hold on. GCC dash 13.2.0. No such file directory. There is a file directory. What are you talking about? As root cd into LFS, and then run tar cvf root LFS backup. This backups the LFS system. Oh, okay, cool. Thank you, name, I guess. Use Hyperland on Arch. It's so good. Let's go. You freaking love to hear it. 140 is crazy. 140 points. Let's go. Okay, why did it not rename? Well, you're off to Geometry Dash. All right, I hope you have fun. Can we not use that command that we used for the other ones? Hold on. Can I just do this to make the Okay, so I can do GCC dash 13.2.0, right? And make that to GCC, right? Okay. So now that command should work then. So, oh, I just want to copy this part and paste. No such file directory. What? Okay, where is it trying to go to? Uname-m and x64, blah, blah, blah. M64, what? Can't help you if RTX is off. The RTX off is rough. Linux ricing is my job. How can I see the thing I can use my points for? It'll be in the description. Okay, so why I don't get why this isn't working. Can't read GCC config i386 t Linux 64 no such file directory. Can I even oh god. No. And we're back. Oh god. I can't help you? Oh no, why not? That makes me very nervous. ls/gcc. No such file directory. Why is there no such file directory? I literally just made it. There is a GCC file directory. What are you talking about? Even if I don't have the brain for this horrible documentation. Bro. What does it mean there's no file directory? Oh, is the root. Oh, you're so right. GCC, there we go. Okay. So, what was it saying that I couldn't find? Config. Okay, is there a config in here? No, there's no config folder. Why is there no oh, there is a config folder. Okay, well then ls config. And is there an i386? There's no i386 in here. Why is there no i386 in here? What? Oh, okay. Now I understand, Floppa. Please don't turn off RTX. I hate it. Why is there no i386 in here? I think that might be a problem, right? Hold on, let me clear this. Okay. So let's see. Installing this on a 32-bit PC because i386 is 32-bit, or you need the libraries for LFS. I share to watch. I can't understand a thing you're doing. I don't understand a thing I'm doing, so it's fine. Okay, so ls dot slash gcc, not xxcc, config pipe grep i386. What did that do? What does grep do? Oh god. It's nice not being alone. Yeah, that's true. That's very true. Does that mean that it does exist? The grep is just telling you whether it exists or not or something? Find text in another piece of text? Oh, okay. Arker, what's up? Welcome back. Checked if there's an i386 folder just to rule out human error. So, what? So there is an i386 folder. Why can't it find it then? According to grep, it doesn't exist. Oh, okay, that's why. ArcOS is going absolutely garbage. It's not going any better over here. There's apparently not. Then why does it tell you to do it here? That's so dumb. What? This is so dumb. On x86-64 hosts, which this is, set the default directory name for 64-bit libraries to lib. Love your channel. You're the only channel that I have subbed to with notifications. Let's go. Love to hear that. The documentation is like 25 years old. Want to install Windows 7 on your Windows 11 laptop? Hey, go for it. Good to see you here, Equa. I say go for it. Go for it, my brother. Okay, so if I just do this, yeah, there's no i386 folder here. It would be like right in between these two right here. This guy and this guy. It'd be right in between those, and it do not exist. 32-bit have to do with 64-bit. What is happening? Yeah, I don't know. It's renaming the folders for 32-bit to 64-bit since he's on 64-bit. Oh, okay. So if there's no i386, then I don't have to do this because it doesn't have i386 for 32-bit, so it doesn't need to worry about it anyway, right? Or am I being dumb? Was that a dumb thing to say, or was that like reasonable? That if there's no i386, which is for 32-bit systems, then we don't need to worry about renaming it. I don't think it goes like that. Well, then I don't know what to do here, and we're all lost. Try to compile and see if it works. All right. Okay. Do I need to CD into GCC first? Here we go. Okay, and then we mkdir build. All right. Go into the build folder. Okay. And time. Do this guy. Copy this. Paste it. Then do that guy. No such file directory. Okay, what if I just paste that guy? Okay, that's fine. Seemed like it worked, I guess. I just had to take off the time command. It worked. And I guess that's fine, right? Now make, oh yeah, I see. Okay. All right, well, I guess that's doing its thing, so that's cool. Hello, hello. How are ya? I still don't know how to pronounce your name, but that's fine. Don't install? Well, it's already doing it. Control C now? Okay, should I just do make then? And it'll overwrite what it was doing? Okay, cool. So it won't? Okay, so I'm assuming it was gonna run through this part anyway. It just continued where it's left off. It was just in the checking stage. Okay, so yeah, we're good. If it was just in the checking stage, didn't modify anything. Yeah. So yeah, we're good. If you install, it will install GCC into the VM too, not just the. Oh, okay. Thank you, man. Thank you. What is happening right now? We are making or compiling GCC. What? How? What do you mean? What, did I do something wrong? Oh God. The compiler? Is it broken? Is that not supposed to happen? The compiler could find the invisible i386 folder. Who knows? Who knows, man? Well, I guess if something breaks, that's because the i386 wasn't converted to 64-bit, so... Oh well. Used a Minecraft invisibility potion. It really did. So confused. Me too. Who knows, man? Who knows? I'll run out in a minute. Not if they used redstone. Then it'll run out in 8 minutes. If you know what I'm saying. They were just out of luck at that point. WTF is happening? I don't even know what's happening. There's just stuff going across my screen and my small mammal brain is going, ooh, pretty, look at it. That's all I know. i386 is like from the 1990s. Gee-wee, that's pretty old. Even I'm not that old. The 3 in the title looks like the uwu face. That's funny. Just got back to your setup. Let's go. Totally pretty. It's not that pretty, but you know what I was saying. See that colorful text right there? That's pretty. I'm pointing to my screen like you guys can see what I'm pointing to. We are literally just vibing, my bros. Installing iOS 18 Beta 2 right now. Let's go. Was born in 1985? Bruh. Windows XP, thank you for subbing. Can't believe the whole operating system just subscribed to me, bro. That's crazy. The Windows XP operating system just subbed. That's crazy. I'm guessing GCC takes a considerable amount of time to do its thing. I'm gonna check on my video. Oh, guys, we're almost at 6,700 subs. Let's go. We're getting close to 7K. Let's freaking go, dude. Hype, hype, hype. Very excited about that. Very excited. Anjanea, what's up? Let's go. One time I watched part 1 of Mental Outlaws Gen 2 install guide. Gave up 11 minutes in. You're making dad jokes without being a dad? You guys don't know if I'm a dad. I could be. I'm not. Very much not. It says you're on 6.69. Let's go. GapQ, what's up? Why Linux is best? It just is, you know? It just is. Honestly, I don't think that, but I think Windows is better after you de-bloat it and turn off telemetry and all that kind of stuff. But Linux is still really good. Like, if you need like a lightweight system to do coding and possibly gaming and stuff like that, you aren't controlled by the entity called Microsoft. I about said Minecraft. You aren't controlled by Minecraft. That reminded me of the Meat Canyon Tommy Innit sketch that he made when Minecraft takes control. Fave package manager is actually APK. I mean APT. Just hit the -S command like SYU. That's true. Social Blade shows 6.67. I think there's a refresh thingy on Social Blade. Minecraft Bedrock Edition on Linux. Let's go. If you use pre 1.20.2, there's no Microsoft BS. APK is from Alpine? Oh, I thought that was just like an Android application manager thing. Hold on, if I go to Social Blade. Socialblade.com. ID10T error. We only have a C+? What? I only have a C+? Bro, this is dumb. Why do I only have a C+? What are you talking about? By the way, guys, these monthly earnings, very not accurate. Very not accurate. Okay, well, that's done. Why am I using YouTube Music? Because I like it. I transferred everything from Spotify. It's now showing the real count. Let's go. Okay, so we did the make. Should I run... How much do you earn per month? Like $3? No, I make an amount. But, you know, I make an amount. Do I want to do the install at any point? Why did it open in here? It's so weird. Yeah, the real-time thing does work. Why don't YouTubers show their monthly earnings, by the way? I don't know. It's just kind of a thing that you just don't show people. Some people are okay with it. Why is the name Braden Yates? That's my full name. I can't change the thing. Like, okay, if I show you guys, if I switch to here, okay, I'll show my YouTube analytics for you guys. But let's see. If I go to customization and I go to basic info, it has this down here, my custom URL. I changed that back when that's what the channel name was, and now I can't change it anymore. And it just makes you do the @ thingies. So, yeah. I can't really do anything about it. But yeah. I installed Arch using Stage 3 Archive, by the way. Bruh. Social Blade isn't accurate anymore since YouTube did an API update. That's true. Doesn't look bad, honestly. Yeah. Oh, I gotta show you guys. There's a more accurate version that Mr. Beast made. Where is it? Oh yeah, it's here. Yeah. Well, this one isn't more accurate, but this is Mr. Beast's version. This is his website, view stats. Is be my channel. Think Make is done compiling? Yes, it is. So, okay, Floppa, do we do make install? Because you told me not to do it last time. I do use Arc. I switched literally last night. No, okay, so I don't want to do make install. Okay, cool. Make can compile packages, but can it make a sandwich for you? I wish, dude. I could use a sandwich. I'm just kidding. My stomach does not feel good today, so. Delete the make folder? Is there even a make folder? There's a make file. Haha, make, get it? Yeah, dude. Oh, the build folder. Why do I delete the build folder? What? Do I actually delete the build folder? I don't know, I guess I'm just asking because, like, I want to know, like, the reason why. If I made you compile it to verify it wasn't corrupt. Oh, okay. So then, what was it, RM-R? Alex B, what's up? In the build folder, aren't you? Yes, I am in the build folder. We're off the guide now? Yeah. So if I ls here, where's the build folder at? Where'd the build folder go? Bro, what? Build. Okay, there it is. RM-RF. Okay. Bro, I didn't know. That's alright, buddy. It's alright. Okay, so that did not get rid of build. It's still there. I'm gonna try RMDIR again. Directory's not empty. Okay, yeah. I should have expected that. RM-R. And no worky. Oh. And you obviously put the folder. Duh. Okay, now it's gone. And there's still no i386 folder in GCC. Welp. Not really sure what to do here. Now back to where the i386 folder is. It's true. One time I was on my Manjaro and I went to run Pac-Man SYU and blackout happened right before I pressed enter, saved my setup. Woo! Lost i386 folder. We cannot find it. Can you find it? Find out on the next episode of Linux from Scratch. Okay, so if I ls config, yeah, still no i386, but somehow the thing could find it. Find i386. Is that actually a thing? No such file or directory. Just tell the terminal to find it? Yeah. No worky. No worky. The terminal is that easy. Find dash name i386. Oh. Yeah, GCC config i386. It's right there. It's right there. But we no see. We no see it. What? My first OS was like soft landing. Okay. It's in the config folder now. Forgot the dot. Ah. So if we ls hold on. Go back up to sources. We do ls dot slash gcc slash config. Still no i386. There's a GCC folder in the current GCC folder? Is there? Oh, there is. What's in here? Is this where i386 is? It's gonna be up here. No, still not in here. Y'all are compiling GCC? Yes. Like those Russian dolls. Each unpacks another GCC. Yeah, it's still no in here. Still no i386 in here. The guy is just bad, or his brain just being a dumb? Probably a little bit of both, to be honest. I don't get why there's a GCC folder inside of a GCC folder. So if I take this and do this and make
this GCC slash will it run then? Hey, it did it. It did it. The command worked. We're back on track, baby. Let's go.
Guys, I'm learning. I'm learning. That is not a big brain. Okay, never mind then. Why is that not a big brain move? I did it though. It worked. It did the worky. One time I installed Arch manually, but my key labels were all Cyrillic. Oof. Try your luck? I don't want to try my luck. I want it to work. Never mind. I made a mistake. Insert YouTuber apology video here. Guys, I'm making this video with a really heavy heart to say that I messed up. It's never easy to make these kind of videos. See if it goes kaboom. All right. I guess we CD into GCC and then make another build directory then, right? All right. Why not copy paste commands from LFS install script for Arch? I don't know. Because I don't want to. You like Kaboom? I don't. I want this to actually work. And the computer explodes. First distro I installed on real hardware was Arch with DWM. I'm not sure how I had enough patience. It's here to learn, not to be lazy. That is true. I do want to learn. I like Kaboom too. Okay, but can somebody explain to me why that wasn't a good move? But no, being lazy is fun. Like, if I've went through this before, I would have just did that way, but I want to, like, go through LFS and everything and you know, put in my time for the Linux community. Gain some street cred, you know. If I have my own Linux distro, then nobody can talk to me, you know. You don't know Linux. Excuse me, I made my own distro. Well, Floppa kind of made the distro, to be honest. Since it's in the GCC folder instead of GCC folder. That sounds so dumb, but yeah. Go through the pain and sweat and torture. That's true. Okay, so how can I... Actually, never mind. I can just go through here. What if I move it up a folder? Would that work then? Okay, so if I go into GCC and I find this folder, and then I just move it up into the sources, or would that replace the other GCC folder? Or would that just write the files that aren't already in that folder to that folder? Level 1 Crook versus level 100 Braden Linux Master. Gotta try LFS again this weekend? Yes. Re-download? Bruh. Delete and start again. That would not be fun. Be waiting for the GCC movie. Be GGG instead of RRR, you know? I think you should leave it as is. Should have not used Arch and used Red Star OS. Oof. Just the GCC part? Just compile it now? All right. Well, it's somewhere in there, so it'll probably be fine. Thank you, Svetoslav, for the sub. Appreciate ya. Just realized I was 20 seconds behind in the stream all this time. Ooh, man, no! Make sandwich and eat. Ah, if only. Recompiling GCC won't be a big issue. Yeah. It'll be fine. Can't believe your big brain did this. You know, just be like that. I'm just that good, you know. Floppa literally would not be at this point if it wasn't for you, though. Yes, Rico. Kaboom. Is that a Penguins of Madagascar reference?
Oh my god, my head is literally so big. See, dude? This is the brain that I need to work on Linux. This is, like, true brain reveal. This is what I actually
look like. I just have it, like, I just have my camera like this, so that, you know, I just look normal to you guys. But I walk around looking like Megamind all day. You know? It's just how it is, you know? My brain's just that big. use Turbo Pascal in 2024? In 2024? What were the Pascal cards? Was that the 10 series? I could be very wrong. I think that's what it was, though. Checking if user can be trolled. Yes. GCC commits Kermit and deletes himself. Oh, God. It was the 10 series? Okay, at least I got some right, you know? I used C++ 17 in 2024. C++ 17? I'm guessing that was 2017, so that's 7 years old. Jeez. Where's that PC part eater? I don't know. Soldier is usually in the streams, but I haven't seen him. Maybe he's out at a restaurant eating his parts. I think he's shadow banned. Why is he shadow banned? How long does it take to compile GCC? I don't know. I've never done this before. Floppa could probably tell you, though. But me personally, never done this before. So, you know. Guys, I think we reached 6,700 subs. There he is. Oh, we didn't. We just need 2 more subs. See, I told you he was busy eating his PC. He's here. He has arrived. Everybody, hide your PC parts. He's here. It's the first time you're chatting in a stream? Let's go. Let's freaking go, my dude. Guys, people had a lot to say about my switch to Linux video. They had a lot to say about it. Like my video with almost 200,000 views got like not even 1,000 comments. It got like 800 something comments. This video with like just over 50,000 views, so like less than half, has over like 1,200 comments. So people were like they had stuff to say about that video. If you want to back up your LFS system, first CD into mount LFS as root run tar-c cvf root LFS backup. Okay, cool, thank you. Windows, and it takes me makes me want to commit sewer slide, but old NVIDIA drivers plus Linux is a horrible experience. You hate Windows so much. I don't mind Linux. You gotta become the next Brody Robertson? I don't even know who that is. Who's Brody Robertson? Oh, say YouTuber? Still fairly new to Linux, all things considered. I have podcast, blah, blah, blah. Ah. Sewer slide? It's a YouTube monetizable way to say the word that he said. Oh, I've seen this guy before. Yeah. I've seen this guy before. Born to use Linux, forced to use Windows. We truly do live in a society. Thank you, Blocky Head Man, for the follow on Twitch. Appreciate ya. Sewer slide, that's a new one. KDE when you switch it, now your PC uses electricity. How long does this part usually take? I mean, things should be configured correctly at this point. K trademark, bruh. That pun actually made me laugh. A while? Frick, man! I don't want to wait a while. I haven't compiled GCC in like forever. Well, we're doing it now. I've used Linux since I was like 7. Bruh. I've used Linux, like, I gave it a try like once, and it was Linux Mint, so yeah, that's probably why I didn't stick with Linux. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Use Linux since I was 10. Nice. Okay, that's done. Looks like everything's in the right place. Windows 11 has been such an awful experience every time I use it. I go back to Linux and completely nuke every single trace of it. I think this can take a couple of hours. It did not take a couple of hours. LFS is a deep rabbit hole that you can never crawl back out of. I am realizing that. Okay, and then we don't want to make install, right? Compiler isn't running on a single thread, right? I don't think compiling would be that slow with multiple threads. Yeah, it's not. We gave it I think I gave it 4 cores, and we made it 4-core 2 threads. So okay, so now we want to make install. Okay, cool. This could either really mess up my system or it could work fine. And I think we may be fine. This time we aren't testing if it compiles. Okay, cool. That's good. Windows 11 is better than professional spyware. Microsoft made the user interface so beautiful with WinUI 3. They still failed because they didn't even bother updating Win32 components. And moreover, WinUI 3 is god-awful slow due to XAML. That's true, yeah. Thank you, Laps. It's probably going to take forever for your sub to show up, but hopefully it does soon. Okay, so GCC -- version. There it is. Thank you, Laps. 14.1.1. Wasn't the one that we just did 13.2.0? Control panel in light mode? Yeah, that's something else. One of the 1,000 reasons why I prefer Linux over Windows. Okay, so this is good, right? Best Microsoft product, Minecraft. They didn't even make it. That's true. They freaking bought it. We're at 6.7? Bro, let's go. 6,700 subs. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, we're at 6,701. So we're past 6,700 subs. Guys, only 300 more and we'll be at 7K. Let's freaking go. First used Linux accidentally with Ubuntu when my dad installed it instead of Windows Vista. Bruh. Mojang forever, boys. Yes, sir. Okay, so Floppa. This is good, right? Even though it says version 14 and the one that we used was 13.2, this should still be fine, right? I am completely unsure of myself in this moment, and I need third-party confirmation to make myself feel better. Yes? Okay. Sako, you didn't play Halo? What? You didn't play Halo? What the hell am I reading right now? Just a newer version? Okay. Things Sweden is famous for. Mojang. Doesn't really matter? Okay. At least my soul says so. Got a 5-second ad. You get 2 pennies. Let's go. You also have it. You did play it? Okay, cool. Floppa, no mercy. I'm just kidding. I'm a Call of Duty player. I mean, I played Halo, but I'm a Call of Duty player. I don't play Call of Duty that much anymore, though. Okay, the command below shows an example of a nested command, blah, blah, blah. Could be rewritten, blah, blah, blah. What does it actually do? Okay, so I probably run this, right? So, actually, if I do CD myself, we're back in GCC, but I don't think that's what it wants, right? I think we want to be back in sources. Halo is God Killer. You want to make me play Halo? Give me money? That's fair. No such file directory. Okay, maybe we did want to be in GCC for that. Okay, yeah, we did. Okay, cool. Okay, so that part's done. CD GCC, yes, sir. Okay, the Linux kernel needs to expose an application programming interface, or API, for the system's C library, or glibc in LFS, to use. It's done by way of sanitizing various C header files that are shipped in Linux kernel source tarball. Make sure there are no stale files embedded in the package. Okay. So I'm guessing we just go back to this, right? Time for the pain. Oh, God. Okay. Now we're getting into the weeds. Jeez. Compiling the 3 different parts of Linux. Let's go. Okay. So make Mr. Proper. That's what I'm gonna call it. No rule to make MR proper. Huh? Play Minecraft Big Salmon Edition. Okay. Why did that not work? No source files in your home directory? Oh, okay, so we still have to be in sources then. Sources. Whoops. Why did that work? Why did LFD work? That's weird. Okay. We're back in the LFS sources folder, and then we make MR proper, if I can spell. No rule to make MR proper. Huh? Even the compiler wants you to just stop. I'm not giving up until I have a working distro, okay? Make sure there are no stale files embedded in the package. Make MR proper. Let's see. Do any of these things even help? So you have to have make, an option, and a target. Okay. tar xvf linux 671 cd linux what? Aw? What do you mean, my bro? Okay. So the AP or Linux API headers. Oh, expose the kernel's API used for glibc. Oh, okay. So we actually do have to do that. tar-xvf Linux. All right. So we shall do that. Very nice. Name, I guess, is right. Okay, cool. Then we shall do that. First thing to do when you install a new Linux distro, install uwufetch. It's a real program. Oh, God. Okay, so that is done. You've been through the LFS process? Good. Okay, now I have 2 people in here that's been through the LFS process. Okay, so then you said we CD into that folder. And then we do make MR proper. Okay, that actually did work. Wow, imagine. Now extract the user visible kernel headers from the source. The recommended make target headers install cannot be used because it requires rsync, which may not be available. The headers are in place in /user and copied to the needed location. Okay. Okay. So that went through. All right. Wow, something works. No way. Indeed. Use fast fetch. Bruh. Okay, so I don't need any of this stuff here. Okay. glibc contains main C library. This library provides the basic routines for allocating memory, searching directories, opening and closing files, blah, 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 so on. Okay. First, create the symbolic link for LSB compliance. Additionally, for x86-64, create a compatibility symbolic link required for proper operation of the DLLs. Okay. Okay, so do I run this in this directory, or no? Because they didn't tell me to change any directories. So am I still running these in the Linux folder directory? I am unsure. I mean, we're still doing glibc, so I'd imagine we just run this in the same folder, right? And I shall wait here patiently until somebody answers me. I shall wait. Directory independent. I see. What did you ask? I wasn't concentrating. If we run this in the same directory, but Alex says that it's directory independent. Oh, it isn't? Okay. So do I actually want to run this in here since it's more glibc stuff? Get slapped harder than me trying to be Mike Tyson. Just run it? All right. Okay, well that did a thing. Some of the glibc programs is a non-FHS compliant var db directory. Store their runtime data, allowing the patch to make the following patch to make programs store their runtime and FHS compliant locations. Okay. So copy, paste. What do I do? What? It says can't find file to patch at input line 12. would that mean? No idea. That's fair. I skip this patch. This doesn't seem right. I don't know if that's what I was supposed to do, but it's done. Just install Tailscale on the machine, SSH, make it run bash pipe into a file. Heaviest thing in the universe, flat pack. Runtime data. Allow the following patch to make such programs store their runtime data in the FSH compliant locations. So I don't know if that's what I was supposed to do. Yeah, I can't find the files to patch. Strange. This is what I get. It says file to patch. It says can't find file to patch at input line 12. I'm not sure. Wrong directory or some invisible folder again? Maybe. Okay, let me ls glibc. I did not see it. Find glibc -2.39 -fhs-1 .patch. No such file directory. Great. Move the file from the sources directory to the current directory. No, I did not. I'm in the Linux -6.7.4 folder. Should I not be in this folder? Should I go back to the sources folder? LFS/sources. Okay, so I should be here then, and then run this, right? Oh, not select all. Or should I run this in the Linux folder? // is the previous folder. Oh, okay. Linux folder. Okay, so I should not run this here then. So I should cd back into this folder. Nibiski, what's up? Hope I said your name right. Okay, so if I go in here, go to sources, and then I find, where is it? glibc patch. Do I move this to the Linux folder? Which is where? Let's see. Ease. mean, it's here, but it's still zipped. So what? I thought we unzipped this. I am so confused. What is happening? What is happening? See, I thought that this was already extracted, though. Never realized that half of LFS is just compiling stuff. Maybe try it on the Linux folder. If it doesn't work, then Floppa may need to help out. Yeah. I'm just gonna run the command in the Linux folder. I mean, it's still gonna do this. It just says that it can't find it. I need to move that patch to this folder. But I don't know how to do that. I need to move the glibc patch to here. Internet lagged out for a second. Oh no. Oh no. My internet. It's broken. I don't need to? Then why it no work? Why it no work for me? It never worked for me. It can find the patch file? Are you sure? But not the files to patch? What? Bro, Linux is something else, man. It says can't find file to patch at input line 12. That's interesting. Yeah, I don't know what to do here. Everything's okay, don't worry, man. If only it was that easy. File to patch, not patch file? Yeah. Linux is more than something else. Read the Wikipedia. But seriously, you can try to install Windows manually? Windows. Microsoft Windows. It's a kernel. I know. A disk part, bruh. Okay, so file to patch. I don't know what would go here. Some of the glibc programs use var.db directory to store their runtime data. Apply the following patch to make sure such programs store their runtime data in the FHS compliant locations. I don't know what to do here. What if I... Okay, so what is actually on line 12? 12, right here. Why does it have a problem with line 12? Yeah, can't find the file to patch at input line 12. BG16, what's up? Okay, so that's what's at line 12. So like genuinely do not understand this. Try to find the file mentioned in line 12. It just says negative 257 plus 257. I don't know what any of that means. Oh God. I mean, we gotta deal with this for 30 seconds. Bum, 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 bum. Bam, bam, bam. Ask Chat GPT. Line 11. I mean, it reads line 10 and 11, but then it won't read line 12. By the way, how's your day going? It's been pretty good. Kind of boring. Not really much has happened. Oh, I got a video recorded yesterday and started editing yesterday. Try to find the make file mentioned. I mean, there's a make file in the Linux 6.7.4 folder. Is it really that case sensitive? It is. Okay. Why did it? Okay, whatever. Editing is the worst part, always. Yes, it is. The patch means it changes something in some files? Yes. Can I sabotage your stream with 5 RTX off in a row? I would rather you did not. Isn't a folder, it's a file? I see. Well, it's there. Why does this happen to me? How about 8 wavies? Oh God. I think I would end stream at that point. Ooh, man. Love using Linux. I hate compiling Linux. I'm starting to hate compiling Linux and I haven't even done it yet. Make file, not make folder. Yeah. Oh, man. Why are you just not... Why don't you just work, dude? Can do exactly 10 wavies with my points? That is insane. Actually, insane. I think it is trying to find the A make file, not make file. Well, it's make config right here, but it recognizes those lines for some reason, even though I don't see a make config over here. It's worse when you're compiling programs. I had to go hunt dependencies for 2.5 hours. Jeez. Why don't you just work? ID10 Air 2024. So real. So freaking real, dude. It says file to patch. It'd be 5 minutes of wavy. That is not fun. Imagine that you need to compile the dependencies by yourself. Welcome to Alpine Linux experience. Oofage. Major oofage. Error on line 12 doesn't mean line 10 and 11 are good. Interesting. Means there's a problem with the chunk. Dude, this is so annoying. Is the actual make file wrong? I don't think so. Oh, man. Why can't this just work? I wish I could help you. Yeah, I'm kind of just lost at this point. This might just be how far we get today, to be honest. That's interesting. What's in your make file? I don't know. Officially hit a roadblock, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, we have. I don't even know where to find this folder, dude. Oh, it's up here. Okay, and then make file. I don't know what any of this means. Making software error on line 12. Line 12 is empty. Oh, God, no. Yes, I made everything 50 points so you guys can't spam them as much. Oh, God. Bum, 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 bum. I don't know what any of this means. Yo, yo, yo. Bum, 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 bum. Oh, no more Wavey. Oh, yeah, I have a cooldown on him. Haha. You guys have to wait for the global cooldown. Sako, they're down in the description. Holy, I just got like the worst pain in my side. Ow. Ow. Okay, we're good. Dare you to remove the cooldown? I will not be doing that. No! Not more Wavey. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Da, da, na, 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 na. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Try to Google the issue. True. I am going insane. Okay, so what was our issue? Can't find file to patch at input line 12. LFS. Saving up for 1 million points so I can end the stream. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. You guys are watching a man lose his sanity second by second. Bum, 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 bum. Dun, 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 bam, 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 bam. Accept all cookies, I do not care. While we're doing this, okay, they got the same thing. For starters, for those who have followed the guide before, where exactly should patch, or exactly should the patch be in relation to the file it is patching? What file is it patching in particular? Blah, 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 for reference, blah, blah, source files, patches. Just going to LFS sources, so I extracted the LFS tools. So currently patches in LFS sources and extracted files is in tools. Interesting. Place all the sources and patches in a directory that will be accessible from the root environment, such as mount LFS sources, which it is. Do not put sources in tools. Okay, so that's fine. That's literally it. That's all that we get from that. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, 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 bum. One Wavey left. Thank God. Okay. Trying to make this. When I wanted to apply the patch, there was an error. I patch all 3 files in the correct folder. Follow that link you posted earlier and click on the patch link in the top left corner. Save what you get into a patch and then apply. What? Bum, 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 bum. Oh my god, literally so many wavies. Not the patch folder, you probably need to put the file into some patches folder and or it'll be applied automatically during the build. Probably be placed in a folder like this. Be applied to kernel sources. Oh man. When do you get a point? You just have to be active and chatting, and you should get points. Okay, LFS, frequently asked questions. General compilation errors. Okay. Package specific. No, what do I... Let's see. We should be in here, right? No. Bum 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 bum. It was your first one, and it had to be Wavey. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Rip my sanity for real. Okay, where's the freaking thing? Wow, the own LFS thing is just not great. Wavy moment, indeed. Why, dude? Why can't I find anything about this? This is so stinky, bro. Why does this have to be so stinky? You could try asking ChatGPT. Wavy spam? No. Please, no. Hold on, let me go back to here. Can't find file to patch at input line 12. Can't find file to patch. File to patch at input line 12. I'm trying to run what is it? I'm trying to run. Can I copy between machines? Hopefully. Nope. Tell it the chapter. Oh, you're right. 5.5 glibc. I am currently on chapter 5, section 5 of Linux from scratch. I keep getting the error, or I should tell it version 12.1. Version 12.1. Keep getting the error. Can't find file to patch at line 12 when running the command. I wish I could just copy and paste this into the thing. I'm gonna throw it over here. Patch dash np1 dash I dot glibc dash 2 dot 39 dash fhs dash 1 dot patch. Tell me what I'm doing wrong. Bum 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 bum. Give it the patch file? I didn't know I could do that. I'm sorry. Verify the patch file location. The patch command cannot locate the file it needs to modify based on the patch file instructions. Here you can troubleshoot. Patch file location. Yeah, it's where it needs to be. Wait, guys, I think I just figured it out. It's not... Okay, so the dot makes it go one thingy up. And it's not one thingy up. It's in the same folder. Can't patch file. No such file directory. Never mind, I'm dumb. Wait. Just get rid of this. No such file directory. Never mind, I'm dumb. 6,700 subs. You're growing. Let's go. Yes, sir. Have chat GPT-40. Very nice. Wait, it would need to have the dot. The file is one folder up. Yeah. Never mind. Yeah. So why it no work though? I thought I figured it out. I did not. Check patch file contents. I don't want to. Ensure correct application of patch.
Big a brain. I am big a brain. Thought it finally worky. Me too. File ownership and permissions. That's not a problem. Line numbers and context.
I don't care. Time to overclock my brain. Let's go. Here's a step-by-step example of assuming your patch file is located in the parent directory. Can I give it... Wait. Can I give it the patch file? I don't know if I can give it the patch file. Video card failure, bro. That's what it feels like. How many volts do I want? I want all of them. I need all of them. Try to use a caret instead of dash I. Would that actually work? It's still no worky. Still can't find the file to patch. You chewed 16 pieces of gum today? What the hell? Chewed 346. Jeez. That's quite a lot of gum you've got there, mate. Quite a lot of gum you've got there. at once? Brother, what is wrong with you? Okay. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Okay. Bum, 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 bum. Jesus Christ. Okay. Chapter 5. Well, let me pause thine music.
Or I'd recommend reading the whole of the book at least once, and then maybe going back and reading bits that were a bit complicated or something you didn't understand. To keep a log of what you're doing, or like I say, I record everything from beginning to end. I have done particularly pages.
Okay. Where were we? 5.4. 5.5.
So let's now extract glibc.
Okay, we did that.
I didn't see how long GCC was going to take, but anyway. So that in theory is about he took.
Okay.
So let's paste that in.
We did that.
And it says the above command is correct. The LN command has several syntactic versions, so be sure to check the info there. So now we've got a patch
now here's the part.
to ensure the runtime data is put in an FHS compliant location.
Oh my gosh, guys, I'm
So
literally...
that looks all okay.
What? He's just worked. He's in Mount LFS sources glibc.
C folder. Guys, he's in the frickin' glibc folder. Why am I in the Linux folder? What are you guys telling me to do? Bro. This is why I don't trust you guys. Sweden's synthwave as music is so cool.
Then we once again create a temporary.
We've been blind this whole time. Nope, it's still no worky. What are we doing now? Nope. It's still no worky. Oh, glibc. You guys are so right. I'm dummy. I'm dummy. I'm dummy. Bro, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. My brain is frying. My brain is frying. My brain is frying. glibc. How did you autocorrect to that if there's no such file directory? What are you talking about? It's literally right there. Oh, we haven't even extracted it yet.
glibc. No such file directory. What do you mean? What do you mean?
Oh my god. 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 Got it. Thank you. Okay, now we can go into that folder. And now, pray to God that we can do this. No, not that. What the hell? Copy. Do this. Why is you not... What are you doing? Copy. Paste it. Thank you. Now it worked. What are you guys telling me to do over here? Freaking fricks? You little freaking fricks? You little freaking fricks? Empty the compartments of your pantaloons.
I probably should have figured that was the thing to do because we're doing glibc. So, yeah. Oh my god. Okay.
So let's go back up one. mkdir build and cd build. What? It already exists. Okay. Anything in here? Okay, cool. No, not RTX. Has always been with us, indeed. Okay. Ensure that ldconfig and sln utilities are installed on our user bin. Okay, that did nothing. Don't know what that did, but let's go. Alright, let's just go ahead and do this. No such file directory. Okay. Bum 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 bum. Why does Windows allow you to eject your Wi-Fi adapter? That is very strange. You give me Braden more money since I'm just having an ad. Let's go. What effect do I hate more? Probably that one, Wavey.
God mode. Let's go. Can't have two at the same time? No.
Okay, so the thingy did not work this time. Please don't banish me to the Shadow Realm. Bruh. The compilation thingy no work. Because scripts config.guess no such file directory and configure no such file directory. Oof. LS, true. Config parms is in there. No such file directory. Okay. That's a nice beach. That's a nice beach. No. What the hell? I don't even remember what it was asking for, though. Scripts config. Is there scripts in here? There's not a scripts folder. That's sick. And there's not a config folder, I'm guessing. Yeah, there's no config folder. Great! Oh, God. cd / glib c. Oh, that's CS, not CD, bruh. Is there config? There's a config folder, but it's not the one that it wants. Config.guess. There's a configure folder, though. Don't know why I can't find them. That is interesting. First one goes after the one ends, next starts, yeah. Hop back after a while. Alright. Oh, man. Okay, guys, you know what? I'm going to... Okay. I'm going to take a break from this for right now. My brain hurts. I want to take a break from this. We shall continue at another time, but not today. My brain hurts. I want a break. I'm going to leave it here. My brain is fried. Fried like a little piece of chicken. Like a little piece of chicken. So you guys don't even have to wonder what time it is for me. It shows it right down there in the corner. But I'm going to suspend the VM. He has been suspended. What game is my fiance playing? She's playing Far Cry Primal. Gonna do game command. But why though? Why would you do this to me? Why would you do this to me? But yeah, I'm going to go relax and you know, chill out, let my brain recover from this session. My toes leaked. Free foot content. Yeah, it only works for mods. I don't know if you guys will ever catch a glimpse of the dogs. Most likely not, because there's no reason for you to. But yeah, I'm gonna go eat something. Gonna go you know, watch some YouTube myself. Enjoy the rest of my day. Go chill out. And have a good time. Good night, good night, good night. 4:02 p.m. and you guys are telling me good night. I'll take it. Bro, how many likes did this stream get? 39 likes. Chewy. That's what I'm talking about. We got one member. Let's go. Sleep well at 4 p.m. A glimpse of your dogs. Yeah, there. One of them is right there. Looks like a little potato. 34 likes, 0 dislikes. Let's go. On my little YouTube studio thing, it says 39. Let's go. But, alright guys. I'm gonna end stream here. I shall see you probably Friday. Next video that's coming out, I'll try and have it edited by this weekend. No promises, but it will be looking at your guys' memes on Discord. Don't submit any more for right now, because they're not going to be in the video like right now. But like, I mean, if you want to submit some in there, but they're most likely not going to be in a video like right now. But yeah, it'll be your guys' Discord memes. Hope you figure out this guide made 20 years ago trivia. Have a good Linux compilation experience. I will try. But yeah, peace out, my dudes. I shall see you next time.